Do you want to know how to copy comments on Instagram? In this video, I will show you how. You can use this trick to copy comments on Instagram for your own posts or to repost other people's comments. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end to learn how to do it. So first of all, let's open up the Instagram application, and let's say I want to copy a comment from this post. What I would do is tap on these three dots over here and then copy the link to this post. So once I have copied the link, exit the Instagram app and then open up your preferred internet browser. You want to tap and hold this URL bar. You want to paste that link in. Once that post is loaded up on your browser, tap on these three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then you want to request the desktop site. So this will load up the desktop version of Instagram on your browser, and after that, zoom in and find the comment that you want to copy, and then tap and hold that, and then tap on copy. So now that comment is copied to my clipboard, and I can paste it in wherever I want. So that's how you copy comments on Instagram. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.